If you're like most people, you're probably waiting for interest rates to drop significantly before you buy a house. Well, let's go over the pros and the cons of that decision. Buckle up. The big pro of waiting for interest rates to drop is obviously your monthly payment is going to be low, which is really good. The cons of waiting for interest rates to drop is that everybody else has that same mentality, which is going to create way more buyers in the pool, right? The pool of water of buyers. On top of that, there's going to be way more offers on houses, which is going to inflate the price of the home. 20, 30, 40, I've seen $100,000 over asking price. Insane. And on the top of that, sellers are less likely to help you remedy their home. Let me say it differently. They ain't gonna fix nothing and they ain't gonna pay for nothing. All right? Clear? Okay, what do you think? Are you still gonna wait for interest rates to drop? Let me know. As always, I'm Tyler Owens, helping you get ready to live Spokane.